Guys, bagong project na naman to. Sipag-sipag lang. Guys, so tampakan na naman to. Lagyan ng retaining wall. Dito tayo magtatambak. Guys, so grabe tad. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Sugod na naman, mga kapatid. Look at this side. It's good and nice to be back again. Look at, guys, oh. Sana mapapaol, guys, oh.